Hey guys, so I'm here to answer your fitness related doubts and questions. You can ask me your doubts and questions, and I will be answering them right now. In case you would want to see more of my workout videos and more of my videos that have answered your questions, please log on to youtube.com/sapnapys and you will get answers to your questions which you might have missed today, or you might just want to hear them all over again. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, please tell me, what is buttermilk good to have while you are on diet? Yes, it is good to have. Can we daily have it in lunch and dinner? And is it necessary to have a glass of milk every day? Yes, it's very important to have one glass of milk, that is one mug of milk at least every single day. It is good for your bones, it is good for your overall health. So please drink milk. Cheat days are okay, or will it disturb our weight loss program? इतना सारा चीटिंग कर करके तो आप मोटे हुए हो, तो उसके बाद अगर आप चीट मील खाओगे तो ऑब्वियसली इट इज गोइंग टू हैम्पर योर वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम, और दैट इज बिकॉज होता क्या है, यू स्टार्टेड ईटिंग राइट, एंड फिर उसके बाद एक छोटा सा भी गलती कर लिया तो फिर यू विल गो बैक टू अगेन वेर यू वर और वेर यू स्टार्टेड. सो फॉर सम टाइम, इतने सालों तक तो चीटिंग मारा है, अभी थोड़ा टाइम तो रिलैक्स. डोंट हैव. मेरी बॉडी नहीं बनती है, सब मुझे गोली. आपकी बॉडी नहीं बनती ऐसा तो होगा नहीं, आपकी बॉडी बनेगी, जरूर बनेगी, पर उसके लिए आपको राइट स्टेप्स लेने पड़ेंगे. आपको जिम में जाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि कुछ लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं मैं ऑलरेडी थिन हूं तो मैं जिम में जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी तो मैं और थिन हो जाऊंगी. ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप स्लिम हो, दुबले पतले हो, और आप जिम में जाते हो और हैवी वेट लिफ्टिंग करते हो, पर विदाउट कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग ऑन योर पोस्चर एंड टेक्निक, हैवी यानी चैलेंजिंग या कंफर्टेबल, ऐसे वेट लिफ्टिंग करोगे तो आपके मसल्स बनेंगे. द मोर मसल्स यू हैव, आप बहुत उतने ही ज्यादा अच्छे दिखने लगोगे. तो ऐसा नहीं आपकी बॉडी नहीं बनती है, आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है आपकी गलती कहाँ हो रही है. अगर एक बार आपको पता चल गया कि आप गलती कहाँ कर रहे हो, उसके बाद उसको इम्प्रूव करो, आपकी बॉडी डेफिनेटली बनेगी. Waiting for you to explain the pros and cons of keto diet. You know what? I'm going to do a whole video on keto diet because there are so many people who have asked me the same question. So I'm going to post it very, very soon. For the time being, I'm not tackling that because I am going to post a complete video. I'm vegetarian. What food do you suggest to maintain good diet and lose weight? See, if you're vegetarian, then the same rules apply to you. That is, you have to create a calorie deficit, you have to be in your calorie limits. But about food, make sure that you are getting enough protein from your vegetarian diet. You can have enough protein from sources like whey, dal, sprouts, nuts in limited quantity, beans, dairy products. All these are good sources of vegetarian protein. So make sure you have them, include them in your diet. What things we take on diet to lose our weight? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट थिंग्स वी डोंट टेक इन अवर डाइट टू लूज वेट, ऐसा क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए. आपको क्या अवॉइड करना है वो आपको पहले पता होना चाहिए. आपको अवॉइड करना है जंक फूड, आपको अवॉइड करना है शुगरी फूड, तो डेफिनेटली आपका वेट लॉस होगा. और छोटी छोटी चीजें, जैसे कई लोगों को हैबिट होती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल खाने के बाद कुछ छोटा सा खाने की, यानी थोड़ा कुछ खा लिया, ऐसा खाते 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 कैलोरीज बढ़ जाती है. तो make sure that you're not habituated to such habits. What did I just say? Which one is better, cardio or high intensity training? For now, when you say cardio or high intensity training, high intensity training, HIIT, is a form of cardio. So if you have the stamina, the endurance, और उसके बाद आप कार्डियो करते हो HIIT, then it's okay. पर अभी आपने नया नया ट्रेनिंग करना शुरू किया है तो स्लो स्टेडी स्टेट कार्डियो यानी वॉकिंग, जॉगिंग, स्विमिंग, ऑल आर गुड फॉर यू. कभी बहुत भूख लग जाती है, वो तो मुझे भी लगती है, पर यू हैव टू कंट्रोल, कंट्रोल उदय, कंट्रोल. How to make six packs? First, drop your overall body fat percentage. उसके बाद आएंगे आपको सिक्स पैक्स, क्योंकि बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज बहुत कम होना चाहिए, तभी दिखेंगे आपके छुपे हुए छह हीरे। I start. I was a dancer, had well-maintained body. After accident, I became fat. Now I stopped dancing. I want to work out. Should I start directly to do exercise, or should I start with walking and jogging? See, if you have hurt yourself earlier, I would suggest to start with swimming, because swimming is a non-weight bearing exercise. So होगा क्या? It will really increase your stamina, endurance. आपको exercise भी मिलेगी, पर आपको जहां कहीं भी लगा उसको और फर्दर डैमेज नहीं होगा। वंस यू आर कंफर्टेबल, फिर आप स्टिल एक बार अपने फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट को दिखाइए। उसके बाद किसी ट्रेनर को बता के कि मुझे इतना प्रॉब्लम है, उसके गाइडेंस के अंडर आप ट्रेनिंग लीजिए। डोंट वर्कआउट ऑन योर ओन फॉर सम टाइम। एक बार आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए, फिर आप वेट ट्रेनिंग अपने आप करें। बट यस, वेट ट्रेनिंग इज वेरी गुड, सो देयर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन। What? How to increase fat percentage? Mine is skinny body. Give me some tips. You don't really need to increase a lot of fat percentage when you have high protein diet. Protein के साथ fat आती ही है, no matter what. So, आप हाई प्रोटीन खाना खाएंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका थोड़ा फैट परसेंटेज वैसे ही बढ़ जाएगा। दैट इज वन। सेकेंडली, आपको वेट ट्रेनिंग करना है, उससे आपके मसल्स बनेंगे। सो बेसिकली आपको फैट नहीं बढ़ानी है, आपको मसल्स बनाना है। मसल्स बनाओगे तो आपका स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा लगेगा, आप बहुत टोन लगोगे, मस्क्यूलर लगोगे, एकदम ही मैन टाइप्स। कैन aerobics alone help in quick weight loss? No. See, when you're doing cardio, so for example you did 30 minutes of cardio, 1 hour of cardio, so you're burning calories at that time. But when you're doing strength training, then even after you're done with strength training, you are burning calories because it has more afterburn effect. That is, जब आप बैठे बैठे टीवी देख रहे हो 1 घंटे के, thorough, you did your best type of workout के बाद, तो you're even then you're burning more calories. So I'll suggest that आपको quick weight loss करना है, फिर भी आपको strength training करना पड़ेगा। What नहीं आती? I tried many things. Please tell me your question again. I didn't get it. What should I take before and after workout? Need fat loss after strength training. See, before workout, try having carbs, because carbs are basic form of fuel for our body. Carbs is the petrol for our body. So you have to have carbohydrates before workout. So you can have either a banana or an apple, or you can have mango shake, something like that. After workout, your body requires protein. Why? Because you went through a lot of your muscle wearing and tearing. So you have to have protein after workout. And after workout, you can have whey immediately. So it is a fast absorbing form of protein. So it will really help your muscles get the needed protein. What are the reasons of gaining weight after taking balanced diet? See, even if you think you're taking a balanced diet, you might be overeating, like you might be having more calories than what you're supposed to have to reduce weight. That is one. You might be taking a lot of liquid calories in terms of, say, for example, if you're having 5 cups of tea in a day, then you're putting 2 teaspoons of sugar in it. Imagine how much sugar you are having throughout the day. So that can be one of the reason. If you are just doing cardio, that is walking and jogging, and not changing your workout routine, even then you can be stuck. So you have to do strength training. So these are some of the common reasons. And on top of that, if you're not sleeping enough, then also your body weight will not really reduce fast. Jumping exercises are losing calorie, as in jumping exercise क्या होता है? खा के सो जाओ, वेट गेन हो जाएगा। ये जिस किसी ने भी लिखा है, आई शपथ ऐसा मत करना। To reduce belly fat, can you help with exercise and diet? Yes. Please log on to youtube.com/sapnavyas. That is youtube.com/sapnavyas. I've answered how to reduce belly fat hundreds and hundreds of times. Please visit my YouTube channel and you will get your answer. I love your tips. I don't Hindi, but somehow you told me start with swimming. Don't do workout with a proper trainer. Thank you so much. I'm following you. I said workout with a proper trainer. Don't get me wrong. When did I say don't work out with a trainer, a proper trainer? Oh my god. Did you hear that from him? I stopped sugar completely. I only have one or two chapatis and I take 3.5 liters of water mixed with do cardio exercise home. I concentrate on protein and stamina. Will this be enough for your weight loss? Is that what you're asking? Because I could just read half of the comments and there is nothing written beyond that. So I'm assuming that you're working out at home. See, hota kya hai, when you work out at home, you are not really that much dedicated. Frankly speaking, I've tried. I had a home gym. I got rid of it because when you're working out alone, it's like homeschooling. You don't really give your 100%. Trust me. No matter आप कितने भी 30 मार खाओ, you're not going to work out at home. So I suggest that either work out with a friend at your home or her place, or go join a gym because आज तो हर नुक्कड़ पे there is a gym. You know, just like a pan shop, you find a gym. So please don't give me this excuse that a gym is very far away. As long as you're staying in a nice place, you gotta have a gym. So please work out in a gym. Then only you will be going every single day. That is at least 6 days a week. Otherwise, you will definitely give excuse. आज guest आ गए, आज mood नहीं है, today ये वो. Go to the gym. My mother's and she's 94 kg. Tips for weight loss. See, whether you have diabetes or whatever, blood pressure, most of the tips remain the same. That is, you have to create a calorie deficit. You have to work out at least 6 days a week. You have to do cardio plus strength training. No matter what your weight is, these are the basic fundamental things that you have to change. You have to sleep for at least 8 hours. You have to have enough water. You have to manage your stress. This stays common no matter what problem you have. This stays just common. What kind of supplements are a must to get fit? The best supplement you can have is dedication. There is no other supplement which is the best supplement, because unless you're dedicated, eating the right thing, ignoring the wrong thing, staying focused, going to the gym 6 days a week, then see, understand, वे पीने से मैजिकली आपको सिक्स पैक्स नहीं आने वाले हैं, और वे पीने से अगर आप जिम नहीं करोगे और एवरीडे दो दो स्कूप्स वे पियोगे फिर भी आपके सिक्स पैक्स नहीं बनेंगे. इट्स अ मिथ. इट्स वेरी इजी. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो 6 days a week जिम में जाते हैं, डेडिकेटेड लाइफ जीते हैं, दे आर नॉट ईटिंग जंक. उनको देख के कुछ लोग ऐसे कमेंट करते हैं कि वो तो सप्लीमेंट्स लेता है तो इसलिए उसका बॉडी हो गया. अगर ऐसे ही होता तो लोग एक्सपेंसिव कार्स के जगह पे सिक्स पैक्स लेके घूम रहे होते हैं. ऐसे नहीं होता है. हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू गो टू द जिम 6 days a week. You have to eat right, ignore the wrong things. Only then, if you take whey or BCAA, they are just add-ons. तभी जाके हेल्प करेगा. ऐसे मैजिकली आप पतले या फिट नहीं हो जाओगे. Never demean or never underestimate the power of fit training. How to meet you? Oh, how to lose weight, ma'am, without exercising, exerting the legs. I used to have severe pain in my legs. You can do swimming. It will really help you. How you maintain your hair? I love your hairdo. Really? Thank you. It's just a nice shampoo and I'm done. Do cheat meals break your routine? Obviously, क्योंकि आप एक cheat meal तो लोगे नहीं. It I'll tell you my own experience. When I was little fat, तो होता क्या था, सुबह I used to have, for example, a burger. फिर फिर बाहर गए घूमने। फिर इवनिंग में ये दिमाग में था कि सुबह तो ऑलरेडी बर्गर खाया हुआ है, सो इतने इतने पे थोड़ा और, सो आई वुड ईट वन मोर आइसक्रीम इन द इवनिंग। फिर कहीं बाहर गए, फिर थोड़ा आगे गए, आइसक्रीम तो खत्म हो गई, तो कुछ और दिखा। तो फिर ऐसे दिमाग में आता था कि अच्छा चलो, आई ऑलरेडी हैड अ बर्गर इन द मॉर्निंग, देन आई हैड एन आइसक्रीम, अभी इतना खाया ही है तो उस पे ऊपर थोड़ा और, सो चीट मील का चीट डे हो जाता था। आपके साथ जैसा होता ही होगा, डोंट चीट योरसेल्फ, सो डोंट डू इट। योर अदर हॉबीज, अभी फिटनेस के बारे में बात करें तो आई थिंक बेटर रहेगा संडे। संडे यू कैन कम एंड चैट विद डीजे सपना। तभी संडे ऐसे बातें करेंगे आज, सिंसियर लाइक गुड स्टूडेंट। Cardio for back pain patients, I'll suggest you go for swimming, it will really help you. How much time should I spend in the gym for building good body? And by the way, you're so cute. Oh, thank you. See, first of all, you should be spending at least 30 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes for weight training minimum. If you are a newbie, once you are comfortable, I'll suggest at least an hour. But that hour should be 100% for weight training, not for doing, hi, how are you? How was your day types. How you manage next day when you skip today due to some strong reason, as in workout के बारे में पूछ रहे हो आप, so you just start afresh, it's okay. See, no matter मैं आपको कितना भी अभी ज्ञान बांट रही हूँ, but I'm also a human being, I feel low at times. So like just yesterday it was a Monday and I didn't feel like working out even this much, so I didn't go to the gym. So you have to listen to your body, it's okay, we are humans. You can't, you know आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा, I used to create this study का टाइम टेबल in the school, even in the college, और इतना, बिकॉज हम फ्यूचर का प्रोडिक्शन तो इतना ऑप्टिमिस्टिक करते हैं, पर जब करने की बारी आती है तब we little fail a little. So I used to project कि मैं इतना वर्कआउट, इतना पढ़ूंगी, ये करूंगी, वो करूंगी, पर जब बारी आती थी पढ़ने की तो you have to listen to your mood. In the same way, it's okay for listen to your body, listen to your mind. But ऐसा कभी कभार होता है मेरे साथ, ऐसे नहीं कि every Monday I'm not working out. Once in a blue moon, and that blue moon is literally in a blue moon, not every 15 days. What should I do first, yoga or gym exercise? As in, if you have never trained, you can, for flexibility, you can do yoga and then body building in the sense of going to the gym. But both are equally good. So I don't know what exactly you are looking for. And can you tell the difference between what? Which time cardio? Exercise morning or evening? Anytime. As long as you're going to the gym, you are being consistent. So anytime. But go. Lifting heavy weight can reduce calories in a day. ऐसे नहीं होता दैट आज बहुत हैवी वेट लिफ्टिंग कर दिया तो इन अ डे 1 kg, ऐसे नहीं होता. व्हेन आई से लिफ्ट हैवी तो उसका 15 डेज के बाद कुछ जाके कुछ होता है. सो यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. ऐसे नहीं कि आज आज गुजराती में क्या होता है, तल खाधा ने चिट्टी, ऐसा नहीं होता. आज खाया आज ही. हेल्प ट्रेन में, अच्छा हेलो ट्रेन में. I'm walking in treadmill. Tell me some tips to reduce my thighs and hips. See, only walking will not help you. You have to do weight training exercises, be it at your own house. You call a trainer or you go to the gym. But you will have to do weight training exercises, do strength training. There's no option. For yoga is perfect for increasing what weight? See, you have to build more muscles. So whether you're doing building muscles, doing yoga and body weight exercises, but I'll suggest along with yoga, you have to do weight training, strength training. अगर आप योगा में सिर्फ शवासन करके वापस आ जाओगे तो it won't help. आपको मयूरासन and other आसन्स करने पड़ेंगे. Give me some tips for building muscles. If you want to build muscles, you have to take care of your protein intake. That is one. Second, you have to go to the gym, lift weights, heavy weights, comfortable yet challenging. Then you have to, manage your stress, your sleep. All this thing in right combination will help you build more muscles. But it will take time. Whether you are trying to gain weight or you are trying to reduce weight, nothing happens quickly. It takes time. Be disciplined and dedicated. Okay, so you meant yoga is perfect for increasing height. Okay, if you are say 18, 19 and you can do pull-ups, you can do cycling, skipping, all these things really help in increasing your height. When I was a chota bachcha, at that time I used to do a lot of cycling without even knowing कि मेरी height बढ़ जाएगी. Ta-da, but today I'm tall. Please answer me, पर question कहाँ है? How to reduce belly fat faster? Which exercise will help me? Do one exercise right now. Type in a new tab, type youtube.com/SAPNAPYS and you will find the answer on how to reduce belly fat. But अभी मत जाना, अभी मेरी बातें सुनो, फिर उसके बाद जाना, ठीक है? 1 hour cardio is permissible along with weight program. See, if you're lifting heavy weights, then you can reduce your time duration for cardio. But cardio is very good because it will really help you get the stamina to work out better. So I'll suggest that if you've never trained, start with cardio, then do strength training. Once you're comfortable with strength training and you're really killing yourself in strength training, not really, okay? Come back alive. But it's just a way of saying if you're really giving your best in strength training, then you can go low in cardio. Whey protein good for health? Yes, it is completely safe as long as you are buying from a reliable source, not mixed up. फर्जी नहीं है तो अच्छा है, फर्जी है तो it will harm your health. Do you take break in a week? Yes. I don't work out on Sundays. And sometimes I take 2 days break at a stretch. But that is once in a blue moon, like in a long time. Very beautiful. How to reduce belly fat? Please go to youtube.com/SAPNAVYS. That is youtube.com/SAPNAVYS and you will find your answer on how to reduce belly fat. Huh? More fruits is good to eat. See, don't go overboard with fruits because even fruits have fructose. Fructose is a form of sugar. So when you're eating a lot of fruits, thinking that I'm not having sugar, but in a way you are having a lot of sugar. So have fruits, but ध्यान से, limit. How do you know whey protein that you buy is not fake? Okay, you buy from a good website or from a good genuine dealer. That's how you know. Otherwise, तो आजकल किसी का भरोसा नहीं है. You can't trust anyone. Fat in my face, I want to reduce it. Okay, I'll tell you something. I'll give you my Sakshat example. Like you can see, I have really nice muscles. I'm really toned. Can you see a bit of my abs here? But still, my own face is little laddu. So it happens. Hota hai. You know, like you cannot reduce fat from a particular, you can't really reduce fat from a particular part of your body. So problem areas will reduce, the fat from the problem areas tend to reduce at last. So maybe I'll drop more fat from my body. Fat बची नहीं है, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं बचा है, पर यहाँ पे fat ही fat है. Okay. Alright you guys, I'll see you next time very soon. Stay well. And don't forget to log on to youtube.com/SapnaVyas and click subscribe or I'll haunt you in your dreams. Stay well. Bye.